What are the common causes of chronic coughs? The most common cause of chronic cough are: number 1, chronic bronchitis; number 2, post-nasal drip; number 3, post-airway hyperresponsiveness; number 4, gastroesophageal reflux disease; number 5, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.